Hey everyone, I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to make you this thank you card. I have used the Ornate Borders and Ornate Thanks, and I kind of feel like it's a 2-for-1 because when I die cut the flowers, I folded the top over so it's also embossed on the inside. So let's make a card. Get my Big Shot out. We're going to start with Very Vanilla. It's cut at 5.5, folded or scored at 4 1/4 in half. And then I'm going to add this die set right here at the edge, like so. And I have low tack tape on it just to make sure it does not move when I'm die cutting it. Now here's the twofer. Take the front and fold it back over. It won't cut, it's just going to emboss. So however your die cutting machine set up the sandwich, gonna place this in, move it over a bit, run it through. There we go. Let's see. This out of the way. And the reveal. Yes and yes. Oh, fantastic. Let me set this down. Give myself some more room. So let's go ahead with the reveal. Woo! Love it. Little extra. So not only did I get a die cut, but I got an embossed here on the bottom. So let's continue decorating it. I have the new in color. It's called Just Jade. And this will be available 3 June 2020. And I have cut it 5.5 by 4 1/4, and we're going to insert it here. Now what I like to do is bring out my trimmer, and I'm just going to trim just maybe 1/8 of an inch, just so it closes better. Come on out. I am going to place this on the bottom, line it up with the inside of the card. Take my Snail Adhesive, add adhesive to the front cover of the card, and while this is lined up to the back, like so, then I'll close it and smooth it down. There you go. Now let's add a sentiment. Bring in my Stamparatus, and it's already set up. I'm going to be using the thank you on the outside and you made my day on the inside. So I've got the Stamparatus all set to go. I'm going to insert my card base. Remember, use your stamp set underneath the door. It's a great platform. I'm going to be using Momento Tuxedo black ink. Ink it up. And the great thing with the Stamparatus, if you don't get a good impression the first time, you can come back a second time. I'm just using a rag to run it over. I think I want a little bit more. To run it over the door, so I get a good impression of the ink. Fold it again. I don't have long sleeves on, so I can't use my sleeve. Outstanding. Now the great thing with the Stamparatus, the doors remove. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to bring in the sentiment for the inside. You made my day. So I'll take this off. Oh, that's never good. You don't want the two magnets to combine. I have found if you twist it slowly, reduce, and it comes apart. Just be careful. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. Oh, once again, just sticking to everything. And that guy up here, make sure I'm lined up, and I am. Give it a good ink. And close again with my rag. I like it. And that, my friends, is the card. A wonderful thank you for making it, you made my day. Send it off to someone just randomly. I think it would be a great and wonderful surprise to get in the mail. So again, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified. I make videos every Friday. In the description below, I'll have a list of all the supplies that I used. Have a great day.